Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Stephanie, stephaniehellwig.com. And here on my channel, you're gonna find all things about WordPress and just improving your website. Overall, some website strategy, some tips and tricks. So if you're not a subscriber, subscribe below and follow along. Today, we're gonna talk all about WordPress featured images. So this is my demo site that I like to use for demonstrating different little tips and tricks with you. This is the front side of the website, and you can see there's a lot of images. It's very image driven, the design. So it's important that we know how to set these images so that they pull to these different areas. So let's just talk about this image right here. These are all featured images. So that's what we're talking about today, are the featured images. And so let's just go right into it. Let's talk about this one. I'm going to flip over to the editor screen in WordPress. And that particular image, I happen to know, belongs to the blog. So in the post or page, is going to work the same. I would click into the page, or while I'm creating it, and add a featured image over here on the right hand side. Now, not all themes support featured images. Most of them do nowadays, but it does have to be coded into the theme to offer the support to pull the featured image. But since so many themes are designed with image-driven design nowadays on the homepage, a lot of themes are going to have this, and we build it into all of ours over at stephaniehellwig.com. So you'll see I have one in here already, and you can click the link to remove the featured image, and that's what it would look like if you were starting from scratch. You just click that link that says Set Featured Image, and then it'll pull up all your images. You select the one that you want to use, or grab one from your desktop or wherever you have it stored, set featured image, and then you'll see there it is, and then you just update it. And then it pulls to the front page wherever you are having that particular page displayed. So in this demonstration, it's right here on the home page there. So if you have a home page that has text and the images aren't showing, I would go back and check that. One question that I have seen recently is folks who are posting new blog posts. Let's just go into a blog post, and they maybe write the blog post and publish it and neglect to put the featured image. And then maybe they go back later, they realize they did that, they go back later and they add a featured image. Then when they're copying the permalink, the URL, the address for that particular post into Facebook to share it to Facebook, Facebook's not finding the featured image. And the reason that's happening is Facebook is going back to that original published post, and it's not finding that image. So there is a debugger that Facebook has put out. It's a URL that you can add your domain to, and it will kind of refresh and look again. And so then the idea is that it finds your new featured image. So I'll post a link to that in the blog post. And as always, there are detailed instructions about what I'm explaining here over on the blog post on stephaniehellwig.com. So be sure you check that out if you're wanting some of the details and links that I'm talking about here in the video.